If you're a cell phone repair store and you're not buying back used phones, you leave a lot of money on the table. I'm Robert from phones.trade, and in the last 4 years that we have been doing used phone buybacks and dealing with cell phone repair stores, we heard all the excuses. Cell phone repair stores, they don't want to buy used phones because they don't want to deal with phones that get blacklisted. They'd rather sell refurbished phones because they come with a guarantee. They don't want to invest their money in stock because they don't want to tie it up. Some networks, they're hard to resell. They don't want to do the repairs, etc., etc. There's a lot of reasons why you can think of to say no to buybacks, but what if none of these things are really an issue? What if you have a buyer on your side that buys everything off you so that the next time somebody walks into your store to sell their device, you can say yes, you can pay them cash. Now you have a client in your store with cash in their hand, happy customer, and an additional review, and guaranteed profits and your money back within the week. Does that sound good? Because in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how doing buybacks with us works so that you can get started. Okay, on the screen, on my left, I think, for this video, we have our mobile app and we have our portal to which you get access if you become our partner. Um, in the app works very simple. You paste in an IMEI, and we automatically pull up the IMEI report belonging to this phone so that you can see whether it's blacklisted, financed, or stolen. That's the overview that you see right here. This will give you all the information you need to make a well-informed decision on grading and pricing the phone. We also have an integration with 3U Tools that I'm sure you're familiar with. We integrate with 3U Tools that as soon as you plug in the phone in 3U Tools, we will keep a copy of that report on our server for later reference. We also log in with Phone Test. This phone doesn't have one, but I will show you a Phone Test report in a little bit. And then all you need to do is grade the device. We tell you the price that we think you should pay. If it's one of your leads, you're free to pay them less, right? If they don't know about us, our website, and our prices, lowball them all you want, and you can directly see how much we're gonna pay you for this device. Okay. Once you add devices to the invoice, you can add some more devices. This is in case you have people sometimes come in your stores with multiple devices. This app is designed to make your life easy and fast. It will automatically pull all the reports in a sequence. In the meantime, you can start grading the devices. We do some auto gradings based on the 3U reports. Like here we have, for example, the battery surface, which is automatically added because you plugged it into 3U tools. These are the prices that we recommend you to pay, which are obviously editable. And once you're done, you create a bill of sale. The bill of sale is to make sure that people don't sell you any stolen devices. Since we do bill of sale, people don't sell a stolen device anymore, and they also don't report it lost or stolen after they sold it to us because we have a copy of their ID and their signature, right? You put in their name and their phone number, and you ask them for an ID. And when you click this image, your camera on your phone opens, and you can make a photo of their ID. That will send an invoice to them that looks like this. A little overview of what they sold to you, your phone number, their ID, their signature, and at the bottom a link to leave a review that will link directly to your Facebook or Google Maps listing. So altogether, these bill of sales are great for gathering an audience, a retargeting list, avoid blacklists, and I'll look more professional, get more reviews. Okay, a lot of reasons to do these invoices. Then we create a draft shipment. As soon as your draft shipment is ready, once you confirm it, it will go to your history tab under the bought shipments. It will also show on your portal. Here you can create a shipping label all autonomously. Shipping label, you add your from address. It's obviously autofilled after the first time. You select your preferred shipping. The standard shipping is for free. For faster shipping, you pay the difference. That will be deducted from the money we owe you for the phones. And once you create the shipment, you can download the shipping label from the app or from the portal. And also you have a tracking page, a status, so you can see where your shipment is at any time. You can download an invoice of the devices you sold to us for your administration. And as soon as we make a payment, we lock that in the system as well, so you can see the balance that we owe you. Uh, Everything here is designed to make it as transparent and easy as possible for you to start doing buybacks. There's a couple more features that I promised to show you. For example, here we have a phone that has the phone test app report. If you're not familiar with phonetest.app, it's our in-house phone diagnostic app. We developed this because other solutions like phone check didn't really work for us. If you haven't tried it out yet, go to phonetest.app. Even if you don't sell to us, do yourself a favor and start using this app, because apart from the phone diagnostics, which are all completely objective, we also take photos with the camera, store them to the report, and we have cosmetic grading where we take photos of every angle of the phone so that if there's a dispute later on the condition, you are backed by your phone test report, and that includes a video as well. Okay, so at any time we lock all the reports that we have of the phone to the system, and you will be able to access them from the portal at any time. If there's any dispute regarding the grading, you can open a claim. You can leave a reason. We will get this communication linked to the IMEI again to keep everything organized. No messages and emails left and right. Everything is going to go through the system. Our goal is to get you paid as soon as possible. So if you send these devices in with a phone test report and a 3D tools report, we make sure you get paid within 48 hours so you can continue buying more phones. Okay. We also have some other goodies for you. We are a development company focused on automation and AI. So as soon as you start sending us 20 phones per month, you get access to our Snatchbots. Snatchbots is a Facebook and OfferUp outreach bot that's constantly looking for new listings, message new listings, follows up on listings if they don't reply, so that you can invite them to your store, sell their device, and again, let the cycle continue. Buy devices, have people in your store with money in their pocket, happy about the service you provided, leaving your reviews. That's what we're about. So if you want to get into buybacks, schedule an appointment today. We get you set up, and we're looking forward to do business with you. See you on the flip side.